You better back. I'm gonna bust my ass. It will never get better.
It gets no better than this. Look at this guy.
Hey y'all.
The gang is back.
Look, all of them just pop out.
Yes.
All just coming to wake up. Come on, back to back bangers.
Bangers. Alright, what's up, y'all? Back with another video, another banger for y'all, man. This is gonna be a day in the life type of video. Just here chilling with my wife right now. I'm gonna come down there. My bad. Alright. Yeah, I had to get down here with my wife real quick, man.
Hi y'all, welcome to our new YouTube video. Why are we so close? We get personal. I love you too. Good morning, CSPG gang.
It's music.
Yeah. So I had to come down here with my baby because, you know, I know she was down here feeling lonely, doing her hair.
It's supposed to snow, y'all. It's supposed to
snow.
And I wanna build snowmen, and hopefully it's still daytime, so I can get some video footage of us playing in the snow.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
Go watch our previous videos, support, show love, and put some respectful comments down below. Watch the whole video.
Oh yeah. So on that topic, we've been seeing a lot of y'all in the comments going crazy. Like, y'all really looking at me like I'm a demon. Like I done broke into your grandmama crib and snatched her jewelry or something. I don't know, but I'm seeing y'all in the comments just going crazy. I'm telling y'all, I promise you, I'm not a bad guy.
We ain't gonna talk about it. We can talk about it in a whole nother video.
Y'all gonna see for yourself that I'm a decent man. I'm a decent human being, at least. I know how to show love, at least to my knowledge. I ain't gonna really speak too much on that.
Yeah.
Y'all just gonna have to see for yourself.
And let me tell you something. The quality of the love should show. Maybe not right now, but you see her. She looks good. Maybe she need to get her eyebrows done.
I be trying to show her appreciation at every chance I get. Like, especially if we blow up from this, help me be able to spoil her. Help me be able to turn into the king so I can treat her right. You know what I'm saying?
I love you, baby.
No, I love you too, baby. So, with that being said, we challenging y'all. This video need a hit.
Ooh.
What you think?
Let's do 200. I feel like they can pass 200. Not gonna lie. Nigga, I think y'all better than that.
Word,
Nibbling. So we gonna bump it up a little bit. We're not gonna go ahead of ourselves. We're gonna say 350 likes.
Okay, 350. That's a little bit more than the last time. So,
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because we did.
Y'all
can do it.
I think y'all can do it, man. Y'all better. TSPG gang, I know y'all mess with us way harder than, if not as much, way harder than your favorite YouTuber. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. We'll see y'all on the next clip. TP gang.
But yeah, guys, we about to make our way to Dollar General, right down the street. Just gonna pick up a few things for food because you know we're gonna be locked in.
We'll be snowed in.
A snow blizzard, guys. So
it's supposed to last for 2 days.
Two days. It's gonna be a little roller coaster for a couple of days. It's gonna bring you along with us for these next 2 days. We're gonna try to hit a lot harder with this YouTube stuff.
Come on, back to back bangers. Playing a damn YouTuber. The hype YouTubers.
Yeah, we hype, but we like to be chill. We like to be real calm, for the most part. We don't know about y'all. We want to get to know y'all a lot more. You know what type of vibe you catch. So. But you know we don't like to fake the funk neither. So we like to keep everything real, authentic. authenticity is
Authenticity.
key, because people will notice if you're faking the funk. I don't know, y'all. I don't know, y'all. I don't know why. I just like, I'm so addicted to doing the British accent. I just like talking in this British slash Australian accent. It's pretty horrible, but I hope to get better as we go on. It's not a passion, I promise. Just
An interest.
just some weird interest I picked up over time. You know, and I blame this girl right here.
Why?
She's the culprit.
Why? Alexa, stop. I really do enjoy this accent. It comes out when I want to curse somebody out for some reason.
You bloody wanker.
Because you're a wanker.
A wanker.
You want some bubbles and squeak? Let me talk about that for a little bit.
Oh, there you go, baby.
Keith Lee, you are doing work. You are sacrificing your stomach for the greater good. And RIP to that stomach. If you haven't watched his TikToks, you don't know what I'm talking about. You need to go to Keith Lee. Keith Lee. Bubbles and squeak. Really? Blood sausage. Cereal and blood sausage. That's all I have to say about that. Keith Lee, you're sacrificing yourself.
You're doing justice for all of us. No disrespect to the British, because, like I said, I do enjoy you guys' accents, quite frankly. I do wish to at least go there and visit. The food, I heard it was an acquired taste that me and her has unfortunately haven't
not
acquired.
acquired. My little sister, she went there to the UK and she said that she ate horribly that entire trip, but it was fun. So, am I getting cancelled?
We might have to take some of that out, but
Let me switch up. Let me switch up because we're honest. The food wasn't the best, but it's like a double installed because you had to remember we are from the obese capital of the world. You know, I'm talking from a perspective that has McDonald's and Wendy's off of every corner.
yeah.
But as you will, don't cancel me because I'm only coming from a perspective of an American.
All right, guys. So
Let me put my
we are going to commence this trip
yes.
to the store. You guys are gonna tag along.
Oh, you see it? It's snowing.
It's snowing outside,
Yes.
guys. I gotta get the freaking snow scraper from out the trunk so we can get moving, and I'll be able to see on the road. All right, babe. You can watch me from inside the car.
Yes.
Where the hell? What's up, lady? Y'all probably heard me in the camera. I was just saying what's up to Sky's sister. It's cold as hell out here, y'all. Hi, guys. Yes. That man dog running away.
We always have that little motherfucker running around.
Let's go. So yeah, I need some new gloves, y'all, because the gloves I had, they were some heavy duty gloves, but I don't know what happened to them.
The big puffy ones.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, those
The big diesel gloves I had. Were those warehouse gloves for sure.
Yeah. They're somewhere around here in the house.
I seen one of them, but I always only see one. I don't ever see both of them.
Y'all, look at this.
They look beautiful out here.
It looks beautiful. Should we grab snacks? Or no snacks. Just
We
straight.
can grab snacks as well.
Yes.
That might be good for us.
Yeah. We've made it in.
We've made it, guys.
And right now we're gonna go in, grab everything that we need, go back home, cook, and get back in the warmth because this winter weather, you see it's snowing. It's snow. You can't really see, but it's gonna get packed, and we want to get cozy.
People trying to hurry up and get what they need for the next 2 days, man. They need the survival kits.
We'll see you at the next clip, guys.
What you was talking about, Princess? Oh, the recorder?
Yeah. Good to view.
Yes. I want to build it right there in between the trees, like
Yes.
kind of on the side a little bit, so people won't walk into it.
Yeah. Look, there's already tracks in the snow.
Little tracks, little paw prints.
Yeah. It's like a bunny. But
Probably a cat, most likely, or a squirrel.
yeah.
What's up, Oscar? What's
Shut it up. Shut it up. Hey, y'all.
The gang is back.
Look, all of them just pop out.
Yes,
All
yes.
just coming to wake up.
Damn, why your fur wet, bro?
She probably just came back from outside.
The hell?
Oh no. Baby downstairs.
Yeah.
You're more responsible than me.
Trying to hurry up and get the stuff in the freezer, in the refrigerator. I don't know
I
how you
just
want
wants
to
to
pack this
protect
up.
the ice cream.
You do
What
that?
the hell, babe?
I just put it in there. I'll let you set that up. I know it's a specific way you want everything put in there.
That don't go in the freezer, sexy man.
What the hell?
Y'all, let me see that. He just tried to put this thing in the dang freezer.
I wasn't paying attention. I was just doing something. I want this right now.
Nibbling.
You got better gloves than me. You say you do. I just got random gloves. Yeah, it wasn't gonna make it to you. I'm gonna bust my You better run. I'm about to bust my ass. I got the perfect ball right here. Yeah. What you gonna do, man? Bust your move, short. Y'all, she thinks she gonna get me. She thinks she good. Watch this. I'm behind the car with her, y'all. I can see her from the camera. Oh shit. Oh shit. You better bag back. You better bag back. I got a bunch of snow in my shoe. She cheated.
This music. I thought I was invested, but it turns out I was wrong. I should've known this all a mismatch. And you always on the wiles, coming strong with all the questions. And now I learned my lesson. Can't fall in love with a bitch way too fast, so it's gon' crush. I know this shit just happened. You can sense the spot between it. I'ma feel like it's magic. But nigga, that's not magic. This was all in your pockets using you, taking advantage. And it ain't no need to panic. And this like shit already hard, it's breaking me down for so dismantle. This like shit already hard, it's breaking me down for so dismantle.
You want to make it a little bit
Shit
more
was a
bigger
little
than
complex, but I already knew it came next. I felt like DJ Khaled, cause I thought we was the best. Paid attention to the signs that you like and see through the text. You was moving clumsy as hell, but now you know to clean up your mess. Kept the real from the jump, so nothing to just confess. I remember them dark days, I took time to reflect. Now I think we should part ways, cause I know that's what's best. Man, these niggas don't want phase when you talk be direct. I thought I was invested, but it turns out I was wrong. I should've known it was all in this mess. And you always on the walls, coming strong with all them questions. And now I learned my lesson. Can't fall in love with a bitch way too fast, so it's gon' crush. I know this shit just happened.
Alright, so now
between it almost feel like it's magic.
we gotta make another one, just a tad bit smaller.
Using you taking advantage, but it ain't no need to panic. This life shit already hard, it's breaking me down for so dismantle. This life shit already hard, it's breaking me down for so dismantle. You better get down or get even. Don't know why you hating, literally it ain't no reason. All them hoes faking, now I'm on these bitches fiending. Gas got me going like I popped a jig, I'm leaning. I keep it different, hoe like I change the clothes for the season. She thinks she super bad till I show ass, I'm a demon. Got a legs up, cushy wet, white creaming. Fuck that bitch with no strings attached, hard code, I'm a name. And now I'm leaving. Her parents were religious, quick to call me a heathen. You thought that I was slow, but yeah, I peeped it. Almost got a ticket for passing limits on speed. Shawty got good brain head, got a mileage up too high, knew I had to check the meter. Young nigga too fly, even if I wore a beat. Kinda hard to be fake, always wanted to be a cheater. I thought I was invested, but it turns out I was wrong. I should've known those all of his mess. You always on the walls, coming strong with all them questions. And now I learned my lesson. Can't fall in love with a bitch way too fast, so it's gon' crush. I know this shit just happens. You can sense a spot between you, and it almost feel like it's magic. But nigga, that's not magic. That's just all in your pockets, using you, taking advantage. But it ain't no need to panic.
So for right now,
already hard, it's breaking me down for so this man.
Don't miss me too much, cause I miss talking to
y'all. Yes. We're just making a little mini snowman. It's a mini one. Oh. Yeah, man. She got me.
Niggas be slaving out here for some paper, hard labor. Fuck that, put the bean to his taper. If he caught a hot bullet slice, so I throw him like saber. We rockin' all blood like Darth Vader. Talk down on the guys, you wishing for death, but the rest you wipe everything out at the left. You bitches disgust me, I
Cause you know, when it comes to stuff like
anything
this,
for a check, throw a ball to a dog, that don't mean it he'll fetch. It's getting too caught on the slice on my neck. Bust down on my wrist, it ain't instant attack. I don't mean to show up, and all this ain't a flex. Growing up in the trenches, ain't always have much, always see for the summer. The burners and clutch for the niggas that talk down on bitches, ain't no need to fuck. Line that tip on my side, gotta keep up his tuck. Tryna see it on slide, hard to see when they hide. Got the keys in ignition, but no one is there for the ride. Niggas switch up in front of your eyes. Tryna see you gon' slide.
Yeah, my bad, guys. We're not talking too much. Got the keys in ignition, but no one is there for the ride. I'm trying to build this snowman. We didn't know how much our task is.
My brother told me it's a red deadly game. I hear you eat it. Just become the food of soup. It's a bitch and I'm moving inside. So I'm under the radar, so my eyes confused. She loving up, fucking shit up. Had to call 911 cause the way that pussy get abused. When I look up to the sky, I thank God for my blessings. The only man I fear is God. That's why I'm so intrepid. Everybody already know how strong I get, so it ain't no point of flexing.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't want to watch Frozen.
You already know I be stepping. Baby girl got so much time to waste, but too bad mine is precious. I've been smoking on that gas loud, this pack full of pressure. I bet that bitch was trying to settle down, she ain't different. We look like a rock band, that big old boom like heavy metal. I feel like I'm wasting time. Because I'm on the game with my brother. I'm right while I'm getting high. I don't give a fuck about no. Cause he been close. I'm trying to re up with supplies. So y'all gonna want a little piece of the pie. We might just have a little word if you got any concerns or you trying to stop beefing. I feel like I'm wasting time. We gon' roll up, put that zone. I'm right while I'm getting high. I don't give a fuck about no shoes or clothes. I'm trying to re up with supplies. So y'all gonna want a little piece of the pie. We might just have a little word if you got any concerns.
I don't know if you should do that. You know, it's frostbite. Yeah, I think keep on switching temperatures in between like climate change and shit. I don't know the science behind it, y'all, but I know you can't keep changing temperatures within your body. Make it sick. And then, cause look, babe, right after you would've came outside with some hot hands, what? You would've touched this snow, would've went crazy. Make the head, make a little mini snow. I really wanted to make a big snowman. You're like a you're like a frog. You look cute though. We tried. We tried.
Once snowballs used to be so much easier to make.
Yeah.
This just like literally falls.
Oh fuck. You gotta put some more snow on it. You gotta patch him up, doctor.
Dude, we're losing him.
Oh shit!
We're losing
Oh, he's falling apart.
We're losing him.
Literally. His face is gone, doctor. He's chipped. He doesn't have insurance to cover. You know what that means? Leave him here. His hair is pretty wanky. Rastafarian snowman. Bay, patch it up around the nose. Patch him up around the nose. Come on. Why did you bring the camera?
I'm sorry.
No, put the camera down. There we go. We did it.
He like he got a beat.
Yes, that's our snowman for today. It will never get back. Look at
Give me the mic. Give me the mic.
Look at my
Give me the mic.
Yo.
Yo, he fine.
Stop playing with the kid,
He
man.
fine. What?
Fine, man. So today we got your world's Guinness record winning snowman right here. It gets no better than this. Look at this guy. Take a good look at his Rastafarian dreads. Yes, yes, yes. Known as AKA the Wicks. Now we have the big Squidward nose. Yes, yes. I guess that's his lip. I don't know. But we have his arms here, the midsection, the torso, and then we have.
He's a big boy.
Yes, yes.
What's his name?
We're gonna name him what's a good name? Snowy Joey.
Snowy Joey.
Or I feel like we can come up with a better name.
No, Snowy Joey.
Snowy Joey.
Snowy Joey sounds like
Snowy Joey.
This is where we're gonna say farewell to you guys.
Yes.
Yes.
We're not gonna say farewell.
We'll see you later.
Yeah, we'll see you inside.
Oh,
You know, we've gotten done with the core mission.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can just chill for the rest of the day with
With
your
us.
family,
Yeah.
with the TSPG gang.
Yes. And enjoy maybe some movies and hope that I can get my baby to watch some.
Yes, I want to play the game and also watch Frozen. I don't really want to watch Frozen, but I'll watch it for my wife.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
We'll see you inside. Hold on. Let's say Franklin wants to say bye-bye.
Yes, Snowy Joey.
Boy!
Snowy Joey.
That's exactly. Boy, you all have your boo-boos and squeak.
Yeah.
Have your
He's a Rastafarian, remember?
Boo-boo clot.
We're gonna have to bleep all that out.
We should beep.
Yeah. The war. The war. What's up, y'all? This is like a couple of days after, not gonna lie. Been a little busy running errands and stuff like that, trying to make sure stuff is straight and settled. Really been editing for like the past couple of days. So yeah, by the time y'all see this, it's probably like the next week. Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos.
Yes.
Any videos.
Oh, and we appreciate y'all, man, for the 1,000 subscribers,
Oh,
man.
we
appreciate
love
it.
y'all. We love y'all.
We got something special coming pretty soon. I'm telling y'all, we gonna make it.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
got something special for y'all. For
The
sure.
motivation don't stop just because we hit a milestone, okay? We just keep on going up. It's just another step stool, okay? It's just a small little step in the big old mountain we about to climb. You hear me?
Yeah.
But yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell. And we are trying to reach 350 likes.
Yeah.
Run it up. Run it up. Run it up.
Yeah.
All right, TPSG gang. Love y'all. Bye, baby. Yeah. Yeah.